Hello everyone, Namaskara. Welcome to Vedanta's Sattvic Stories. Today we will learn how to make a very special South Indian recipe for the summer season, that is ripe mango curry. Take out the pulp of the ripe mangoes. Crush 4 green chillies, 1 inch ginger into a paste in a crusher. Heat the kadai on a stove and add the mango pulp. Add the chilli ginger paste prepared earlier. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp for tanginess. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add 1 cup of coconut milk to the mango pulp mixture and boil for 5 to 6 minutes on a high flame. Take another kadai, add 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add 3 red chillies. Add 8 to 10 curry leaves. Add a pinch of hing. Mix the ingredients well. Add the tadka to the mango pulp mixture and stir well. Ripe mango curry goes well with chapati and rice as the main item during lunch or dinner. Hot ripe mango curry is ready to be served. That's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. For more such Sattvic recipe videos, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon.